Here we are again, and well, I'm gonna explain today's day. So, first of all, EU, we were having a downtrend. We had a break of structure here to the upside, and then a break to the downside here. But yeah, I just marked up the relevant liquidity on H1. But after seeing this week, I understood that buyers were already that buyers were entering, so I expected some sells. Okay, after this break, I was just waiting for a break of structure to enter, but we had news, so it went down. And then we had a break up here, which I expected to go down. I was looking for a sell, but not break of structure here. Then in the afternoon, we had this relevant liquidity taken, break to the upside. I marked up this as relevant liquidity because I don't think that this is relevant liquidity really when it's already breaking this or so close. Okay, I think buyers are entering here. So for me, maybe the relevant liquidity is here. And I didn't enter here because I was doubting about this. And then I wanted to enter here after this breakdown, but never took that relevant liquidity. So nothing for me on EU today. Okay. Let's see on GU. GU we had more or less the same, but the break of structure was down here really. So we were having a downtrend, break of structure to the upside, and well, yeah, it just with the news we broke structure to the upside. For me, I don't know. Well, it's a structure because this high is higher than this one, so probably this structure. If not, the structure is here. And yeah, I know that here we had a break of structure probably on M5. I can't see it, but it is really. But there are videos here, so nothing. Then it went down, and I was looking for a sell here too. After breaking up here, breakdown, was looking for a sell, but out of timing. It takes the relevant liquidity here, and then my relevant liquidity was up here, so I waited, and I was expecting this to be taken, but it never took that. Then we had this out of timing break of structure, and it went down. So yeah, nothing for me here either. Here, USD we're having an uptrend. After these weeks, I wasn't sure about like what's to the left. Really, there's nothing. Okay. So yes, we took this high, but I don't know. After seeing EU and GU, I was expecting some sort of buys here, so I had a stop loss. I just understood that this was an SMT after this break of structure. Then we had a breakdown, break up, testing the SMT, and I should, like this is my mistake because I should have expected a break of structure to induce sellers, and yeah, and then it went up, so the account is now 95,669. I think it's okay this trade, but yeah, I understand why I failed. Well, not failed. Why this was a stop loss? Like I had maybe to wait for the reaction, and then we went up. We had a breakdown. I was looking for a buy, but out of timing again. Out of timing, giving me the entry and going to the upside here with the BOY. Going to the upside. Here we had a break of structure. Okay. Then I waited for the round liquidity to be taken. We took that, break of structure, round liquidity on M5 taken. Why didn't I take this round this structure, because maybe I think it's clearer or more safe if I trade with the structure, really, not with the wicks maybe, but with the structure. But I don't know, I'm just testing. But yeah, and then we had that. I was looking for a buy, but as you are going to see right now, well, first of all, I had this breakout. We had this breakout structure here, but yeah, I don't know. I have to try. I have to study this. Okay, we had a breakout structure here on M5. I waited for this. Here was the entry, but I didn't enter because of the wick. Because of the candles went up. It took the liquidity on M5 again, and here I wanted to enter here, but I didn't enter because the candle wasn't like, it's not an engulfing candle. As you can see, the high is lower, and here the same, the high is lower. So I wanted to enter here, but then it came back, and yeah, it did the move that I was expecting, at least to take this as real liquidity on M5. Okay, so I'm happy because I understood the price action, but not the results that I want to yet. Here again, we were having an uptrend. After seeing these weeks and these weeks, I just expected like the price going up. Again, we had a break down, then a break up. I wanted to look for buys. We took this round liquidity, but choke with the news. And then again, break down, out of timing, no no structure to break here. So yeah, nothing at all. And then I don't remember if I entered here. No, here, okay. Well, yeah, we had this round liquidity to the upside. It was a structure, okay. This is a structural high, really. Then we took this round liquidity here, breakout structure to the upside, but I didn't like it because we were having this here to the left after this break up. So I entered here. I entered, yeah, here I think, or here. Oh no, sorry, I entered here, but I closed the trade, break even, because I wasn't sure, and luckily I closed the trade. Well, luckily no, but luckily because I didn't have a stop loss. And then we had a breakout structure. I was looking for a buy here, okay, and I wanted to enter in this candle, but it didn't take ground liquidity. It's true that all the POIs are mitigated, so yeah, maybe I should have entered here, but I didn't want to risk that much. And yeah, the good ones I don't take the good ones, and the bad ones I take off them. But yeah, this is it. This is trading, so I have to practice more. Okay, and then it went to the upside. I couldn't put this because I had the trade placed, but I didn't enter. So yeah. But yeah, it's like we broke this structure here to the upside. With buyers induced. This is a week. So yeah, I didn't enter here. I closed the trade here because I wasn't sure. I thought it would induce again, and then entering here, I think it was too risky. So yeah, and then Nasdaq. Well, uptrend again, and then on Asia, we had nothing to the left really. On Asia, we had no breaks, no nothing. Maybe here, but it was at 7. Then it went up with the news, and yeah, break up. This is what I mean. Like, is this just like this round liquidity that's so close to the point, to the high, for example? Is this really round liquidity? Like maybe the round liquidity is this one or this one, okay, that broke the structure here. I don't know. I just have to understand that we had a break up and then the breakdown was late. Well, late, like it was down here, and then the break up again, it was here. So yeah, nothing to trade. Well, I just I'm just waiting for good results, but they are being hard to have. But well, I'm studying more. I'm just trying to practice, and yeah, and I think we will have them after yeah after refining all the mistakes and cleaning all the uncertainties I have or the things that I'm not sure about. So yeah, I just need time and practice. So well, let's keep pushing. Okay, see you tomorrow.